It's good. It's going good. So just to verify, your first name is Selcuk, right?
Say again, please.
Your first name is Selcuk, right?
Yes, yes, Selçuk. Burak
Cool,
Selçuk.
good. Cool. Because we have an employee, our marketing manager, he's Selcuk too, so I just wanted to check. Cool. So if we're meeting right now, mainly we're doing it after the technical test, but I'm here to adopt the process to candidates' preferences. So I'm here for that. Did you have the time to check us to see the app, something?
Yes, yes. I mean, you sent a lot of links on Telegram, and I checked that links, and it looks really awesome. I am really excited about it.
Cool. So then I'll just run fast through the presentation with like a big explanation about us. Okay. Cool. So we're at Mobile. The company exists for more than 11 years now. And all those years we were doing development. At the beginning, it was mainly games, desktop games, and then switched for about 5 years ago, switched to mobile app development. And now we're focused in two fields. It's business utilities and entertainment. And soon I'll explain what's the mutual thing from our point of view in two fields that are really different. So the main product we have, as I wrote here, it's Tab Scanner with more than 100 million downloads already, and Wally, that is unique app for us in two things. The first one is it's the only app we bought about a year and a half ago. And the second unique thing for us is that it have backend. Most of our apps have almost no backend, and Wally is a platform for creators. It have a huge backend, of course. And selfie editing app with background editing and so on. You're welcome to interrupt me with the questions all the
Yes,
time.
yes. How many product we have on market?
On it depends what do you mean by on market, because for Android, for example, we have more than 30 apps already.
Yes.
But not all of them are like in development. For now, the main apps we have is Wally Selfie Step Scanner, Bloom, VPN, Call Recorder. So those are the 5 apps, and another one we have Bloom, that is photo restoration app that is written with Kotlin multi-platform, but for now it exists only for iOS.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, cool. So what's mutual? Yeah, as you see, the design is different. Everything, the users are different for those apps. So the mutual part is the AI possibilities. In all those apps, our AI team or for researchers, they are the ones who are doing a great job, and they are doing really top-notch things for us. And our results are much better than what you can see on the like university researchers in this field. And that's why we're participating ECCV, the biggest conference of computer vision that will be soon, like next week. So yeah. So the team, we are spread in more than 8 countries, if I'm not mistaken. So we have a headquarters here in Israel, in southern part. Here we have a product team, design team, backend, QA. What else? I missed CEO and me.
Okay. And you said on Telegram we have workers on Turkey. I mean, in that person, what is he or she doing on our company?
We have 3 developers in Turkey, like 3 teammates in Turkey. One is Selcuk, he is user acquisition. The second one, Anil, is Android developer. He is the guys are from Izmir. He is from Istanbul.
Okay.
The third one is motion designer.
Oh, great. Yeah, motion designer is a design team, in the design team, right? Not the development team.
Yeah. What city are you from?
I mean, I am in Istanbul right now.
In Istanbul too. Cool. So except of Turkey and Israel, we have teams in Macedonia, China, Vietnam, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Russia, Ukraine, Georgia, and Azerbaijan.
Wow.
Yay.
We are strong.
So great team. I'm like running all over the globe in our time zone, at about our time zone, because we have the same time zone with you. Because it's much easier to like still have those mutual hours to work. And I'm like hunting the best developers because that's what we need. We have no simple tasks, and like most companies, your regular work day with tasks looks like change the color of the button, move the button, and change the order of screens and so on. We have tasks like that, but not so much. Most of our tasks are to implement new AI tech, to do stuff that have never been done before, really, for mobile with no backend. So a lot of interesting things to do.
That's great. I mean, I'm really happy to create your task. I mean, as I said, you. I mean, it's not too much. I mean, I can imagine it's not too much hard for me, I think.
I hope.
We will see.
Yeah, definitely. So in day-to-day life, we're communicating with Slack and Asana. Also, we're doing like startup meetings and product meetings, short ones. All the meetings we're doing are like 20 minutes maximum, just not to waste time, right? Not to go to irrelevant topics. Because for that, we have Slack and we have Asana for chatting and for entertaining one another. Meetings are to make an update, to make a sync, and to continue working. Together I'm working really hard to bring all the team together to Israel for a week. It's still not happening, but I'm working on it. We're doing lectures, like if it's to go outside to online or offline presentation courses and so on. Also, we're doing like helping each other to learn new things. Guys are doing lectures here. So we're all about learning. And celebrations. Sometimes when I have time, I'm just doing games, gathering all the team together.
It's great, really.
To feel one another, So just to show you a bit, this is Luna. One of the things we love doing here in the office. We're filming part of our ads. So, okay. This feature was released about a year and 3 ago. And it was really unique tag that time. So when we introduced it to Google, they were excited and then promoted the app by themselves. So that was a big accomplishment then.
I have one question. Are you familiar with Android technologies?
I am a bit, I'm still a recruiter, but
yeah. I mean, we are developing iOS application using Kotlin multi-platform or Swift language. Which one?
Most of our apps are native with not Kotlin multi-platform. So it's Swift UI for iOS, and Kotlin and Java. For example, the basis of Tabscar was written with Java because it's a kind of old app. But the new app, as I said, Blue Photo Boost is the newest app that was released already for iOS, and it's written with Kotlin multi-platform.
Okay, great.
We want to give it a try, but we'll see how it will work.
I mean, Kotlin multi-platform is a really new technologies, and I developed actually 3 projects on Kotlin multi-platforms, but there are some bugs Android teams has to figure out these things. That's why I asked that question.
Yeah. We'll also see, as you see, as I said, we firstly released it on iOS and it's running and it's okay. And with Android, we are still like working on it.
Great.
Yeah. So that was the part for Tab Scanner, and here is example of Selfix. Though Selfix is selfie-editing app, the engine just runs so smoothly for a live video, live camera. We just couldn't resist and not put it here.
Which libraries we use it for change the hair color? Do you know?
I don't know. No,
Yeah,
no.
of course you
That
don't
you
know.
will be able to ask the team. Yeah,
Yeah,
they
yeah.
will know to answer. Yeah, so those are like the most show-off apps for now. I still don't have any videos from Firebase. So why us? I think that the videos and the text speaks by itself, and also multinational team, that is huge advantage as I see it, because the all the team together creates something really unique. Like the people here, the human resource we have here is really unique. And yeah, I'm glad to be with all of them. And it's really comfortable, though we have time gap. Well, sometimes it's like 6 hours time gap. You don't feel it really because we know how to arrange the work. And super professional team. It's also really
Yeah,
important.
great, really.
A development flow, I guess it's nothing new for you. I'm not trying to invent any bicycle when it's not needed.
Yeah, it is a traditional development flow.
Yeah,
Thing.
yeah, totally. But I know that it's important. That's why I've added it. Just the only change, big change that we are adding, that we are doing user testing during all the steps before any line of code. Our product managers and the CEO, they are doing user testing on everything to see that we're doing the right thing, we're doing what the users want. So when you see user test only here at number 8, it's not the reality. We're doing it all the time.
I mean, do we write some Android testing for our application?
A little,
A little,
not
okay.
yeah. I won't say that it's not enough because that's not my place. I don't know to say
Yeah.
that, but I know that not so much really. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Yeah. And we spoke about the hiring process, so no need to stop on that. So yeah, that's us. And yeah, let's get to know you.
Yeah, sure. I mean, I am Burak. I am 24. I was working as an Android developer almost 4 years. Actually, before the Android development, I was working as a front-end web developer for 3 years. Sorry, 2 years, but I didn't write this knowledge into my CV or my website. I mean, this is an Android job, not front-end. And I work at 3 companies as Android developer, and actually the most important company for me, this is my opinion, is a Serbia company, Dev Serbia. In Serbia project, we have a customer, and this customer is the biggest e-commerce website this customer has, and customers already has a Android application, but the application working was so too much slow application written by Java. There was a lot of bugs on this app, on that application, and our client wanted from Dev Serbia, our company, a new application, and we began it to create a new application. We created entire fragments, activities, entire UI design. We created first, and second, we start to write some backend code. We used MVVM architecture on that project. We used Jetpack Compose libraries, for example, room database, data binding. Also, view binding, we use it. There are a lot of recycler views. And Lottie animation, we use it. I mean, I just couldn't remember to entire library we use it on that project, but by the way, we write it by Kotlin language, that e-commerce project. And after the 6 months later, I braked that company and I started to work with a local company in Istanbul, Volvox Mobile.
Wait, let's stay with Serbian
Okay,
one.
yeah.
How many developers were you there? How many Android team?
We write it native Kotlin language, we use it. We have 4 developers, 1 senior and 3 middle developers on our Android team. And iOS team, I guess, they have 3 developers, I think. I mean, yes, I can say like that.
Okay, and so you were doing for the client, so did you have product managers from their side or your side?
My side.
From your side,
Yes.
okay. And how was the communication with them? Or mainly the products were doing that?
Yes, we are running Scrum methodology. We have dailies for every morning. We are using Microsoft Teams for communication, not Slack, but I use it Slack. Not that company, of course, another company. And for version control, we use it GitHub on that Serbian project.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Cool. And what made you leave? Like, it sounds like a good place for developers, big enough team to grow, interesting products. Also, not local company that with economics in Turkey, it's good for now.
Yeah, I mean, I earned European Euro, not Turkish lira. It's so valuable on this country. I mean, I learned a lot of things on that company, but I mean, in 6 months later, I don't know why, but our customers decided to break that project. I mean, I think that they have some financial economics problems for continue this project. That's why I left on that company.
Mm-hmm. And they had no other customers?
I mean, in Serbia project, actually we are working on that e-commerce project. After e-commerce project finished, our company said to me, Burak, you have great developer, you have great experience, great skills, but unfortunately we don't want to continue with you because our project is dead. And of course, Dev Serbia has a lot of project also, but for example, I know just I mean there are a lot of project, but I know one project, the project name a coffee project, I think, but there are a lot of developers, Android developers working on that project, and they said to me, we don't need more developers.
Mm-hmm. Okay, gotcha. And then you switched to Volvox.
Yeah, Volvox. Actually, in Volvox project is so effective for me, so valuable, because I have just for me, I mean, I am developing myself that project. There is one Android developers, and that's me. I mean, I created starting from scratch. It's a startup, not a big company. And
how many people are you there overall?
I mean, I don't know the backend team, but because we are working from remotely, but I think to entire team backend design and development for Android and iOS, maybe 11 people.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
in iOS parts, in Volvox Mobile, we have two developers on iOS parts, and the Android parts just me. And the iOS project is ready on the market, but Android project didn't write any code for Android. And startup owner said to me, Burak, our iOS project is ready, but we didn't write any code. We didn't create anything about the Android part. I mean, we wanted from you begin from scratch, step by step. I mean, that's why that project is so effective for me. I searched a lot of new technologies and a lot of new structures for clean code, same technologies we used on this project. I write it by Kotlin. I used MVVM architecture for that project. I mean, after 6 months later, I finished the project, and I uploaded to market Google Play. That project was a dating application. It's like a Tinder. You can swipe right or swipe left using this application. Firebase and also WebSocket we used on this project. Signal R library. It's a backend library, .NET, Microsoft.NET technologies. We used this WebSocket for chatting, and also we used Google Maps services in this project. We used a lot of Firebase technologies for authentication or real-time database, Firebase service. We use it on that project. I use it.
Okay, and what happened there? Like half a year, you are investing all of your knowledge into it.
Can we give me 10 seconds? The door is ring,
Yeah.
So, sorry for that.
Okay.
And I am really sorry for that.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yes, I mean, it was a dating application. Why I left that company? Because I am getting my salary Turkish lira. I mean, actually the main reason is this. I mean, to be honest, and I know English. I can earn some US dollar or European euro. It's so valuable on this country.
And when have you finished there?
3 months ago, actually.
And from the moment you finished till now, what's going on with you?
Right now? I mean, right now, actually, I am searching a new jobs for me, and I have one YouTube channel. I am creating some Android tutorials for this channel, and there are some new technologies I have to learn about the Jetpack Compose. I am searching that new technologies, and I am applying a lot of jobs for now.
Okay. So it looks like in 4 years you are in Android development. You've changed 4 jobs.
Yeah.
What can make you to stick to one company, to stay with them, to like grow together with some company?
Yes, actually, I have a one dream company, and that dream company has to an international company in Serbia project. Uh, when I was working, I am really happy for working a international team. We have a developer from India. I mean, it's a little bit hard to understand the Indian guy what he said, but it was really fun. As I said, I am really want to working as a Android developer from an international company, and you showed to me you have millions downloaded on the app. I mean, this is my dream company. Why I will left that company?
Okay, 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 cool. Um, so as I wrote to you, yeah, the process from here on is the first really important part is the technical test. Okay, let me check just if I've sent you already the message with explanation or not.
It is a project, right? I have to create that project. It's Android
It's not a
project.
project. I'll send it to you right now. I see that I haven't shared that. You will be asked to create a small app, nothing that we can use in any way. The app and the requirements for it are not representing not what we're doing here and not how we're doing things here. It's important to say it up front. That's just a test. I can send it to you via Telegram, just in the chat. It's a PDF file with an explanation, nothing more there. And I will stay with you online in Telegram if you need me with some questions, anything, any kind of like idea, problem, everything, I'm there for it. After that, if you've done the requirement minimum, I will send it to evaluation for our team. They'll go through it. If it's going good, anyway, first of all, anyway, you will get their feedback. Even if it's just one sentence, that there's lack of that. So we are not continuing. You will get it. For me, it's important to show you
Great.
what was missed, so you'll be able to learn from it. If it's good, also you're getting the evaluation. We're moving to technical interview with Christian. He's from Macedonia. So also I'm using like for meetings that I'm not sure my ear adjusted to the accent. I'm using the subtitles. That's the huge thing that we have in Google Meet. A good interview will take an hour and a half because Christian is starting from theoretical easiest questions, like what's the difference between MVVM and MVP?
Yes.
And then he's going deeper and deeper to see the level of your knowledge,
Yes.
and then continuing to some case studies. If you need to implement this and that, but you can't, you want to, and so on. And you will get no immediate feedback. He's like keeping poker face during all the interview. Then you're getting feedback from me like a day or two after. If it's good, we continue to the interview with the CEO. It will be also technical and personal. A short one, like less than half an hour. If it's good, we're going to recommendations. I will ask you to give me two managers, like it will be from Volux, it will be your direct manager, I guess. For a small team, it's like if you had product there or a CEO maybe, someone who like led you, and your team lead, the leading Android developer from Serbia company. I will speak with them to like verify the vibes and the info we got from you. If it's also good, contract, and we're ready to go.
Yes, great. I have just one question. How many days I have for finish your task you send it?
You will have 3 hours.
3 hours.
Yeah. So I prefer to schedule up front so both of us know that you will have those 3 hours, no like problems with electricity, internet, meetings in between. Just you for 3 hours that you know that you are not like have to be in a rush to go somewhere, do something, and so on.
Did you send an email for this task?
I prefer not to do it in email. I prefer to be in a live chat. So Telegram for me works the best.
Okay, okay. Yeah, no problem. Telegram is also for me. Good.
Cool. Okay, so from now on, I will send you right now again the explanation about the test, so you'll have it like written in front of you. And I will wait for like best time to do the test. From my side, I can do it on weekends, evenings. We just need to schedule up front, so I'll adjust my schedule too.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Okay. Okay. Do you have any questions? Something except the libraries that we're using?
Yes, sure. Actually, no, you didn't explain very well everything. I am really thankful for this.
Cool. Okay. Great, Burak. So thank you for your time, and I'm setting everything now and waiting for you to schedule the test.
Okay, Maria, thanks for everything. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.